Hello students, welcome to the first lab lecture of data structure for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of IIIrd Gujral, Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. This one is the first program for using dynamic functions. These are the four functions. I would like to discuss malloc and free function in the first video. Program for using dynamic function, that is malloc and free. I would like to proceed with one program using memory allocation. Program to find product of the entered integer values. First of all, the necessary header files. This one is the basic header file for input output functions, and second one is for memory allocation, that is std library.h. Then the main function, and after writing the main function, we have to declare the variable n for the count, how many number you would like to enter to find the product. I is for loop. Then pointer is required. Then product. Let us declare product is equal to 1 in first step. Then printf. How many numbers you want to multiply. Semicolon. Then scanf. You can enter the data from user side. %d is the control string to enter the integer value. If you know about the basics of C language, you can easily interpret these lines: printf for output and scanf for input. If n is less than or equal to 0, we can write here printf please enter the correct value. Semicolon. Otherwise, printf data is appropriate. After entering the data, we can enter the number from user side. And before the entry, ptr is equal to, we have to declare about memory allocation, star int, that is the typecasting content, then memory allocation, and inside memory allocation, what we have to write? We have to give the size and the entered data from the user side, that is n multiply size of, because I am entering integer data type. Now, what is the meaning of this? Memory allocation is for n numbers according to its size. For example, the size of integer is 2, If I am entering 20 values, it means memory allocation is for 40. Now, after entering this content, what we have to do? We have to check if PTR is equal to null, then printf memory cannot be allocated. If the value is not null, then we have to proceed with entry printf enter the numbers you want to multiply. One by one you can enter the number. For that we have to use for loop, because this content is variable. I plus plus, then scanf, because we have to enter the data from user side, %d, because integer values are there, then ptr plus I. After entering these values, we have to multiply. Already declared variable is pro. Star is equal to star ptr plus I. Now there are two stars. First star is for multiplication and second is for pointer. After multiplying all the values, we have to print the data. Print product of the above numbers is equal to %d. We can print the data here, then pro. After the completion of this content, we have to free the memory. We can write here free, then ptr. We have to free the pointer, then get ch. Now execute the program to find the product of the numbers. First of all, save this, then execute. We have to write int star, not star int. File, save, then execute, compile and run. Enter how many number you want to multiply. Suppose I am writing 3 here. Data is appropriate. Enter the number you want to multiply. 11, 3 and 4. The product is 132. 11 multiply 3 multiply 4. I am going to repeat the content. First of all, the declaration of variables, then entry of the numbers, how many number you would like to multiply. If n less than 0, let's execute the program again by entering the value 0. Please enter the correct data, you can exit the program. Else data is appropriate, then memory allocation. If ptr is equal to none, memory cannot be allocated. Otherwise, we can enter the data whatever the number you would like to multiply. Here you can enter positive or negative values. Then scanning and then finding the product. First star is for multiplication and second star is the representation of a pointer. Then we can display the content, we can display the product of all the numbers entered by the user. Then free the memory then get ch. Hope you understand the content of first program, that is memory allocation with the combination of free. In the second video, I will discuss about calloc and free functions. Thanks for watching my video.